Welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this fraction, which is 3 plus 3 times 3 divided by 3. So if you are new in channel, then kindly subscribe to channel. Our solution is, guys, we can write this fraction in this form. Parentheses 3 plus 3 times 3 divided by these 3. Okay, now guys, parentheses have higher priority than division, so we can write it as in parentheses multiplication have higher priority than addition. So 3 plus 3 times 3 equal to 9 divided by 3. Here again we can solve parentheses, so 9 times 9 plus 3 equal to 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question. Thanks for watching.